Hello, everyone. My name is Joe Ventola. I'm one of the assistant deans at the School of Environmental and Biological Sciences, and also one of the bio major advisors for students at Rutgers. It's nice to have you. I'm going to provide an overview of the bio major at Rutgers University, SEBS. So let's get started. This is a picture of Passion Puddle on the Cook campus. And the far back of the screen, there is Martin Hall. It's the home of academic programs and also the deans at SEBS. SEBS is unique and it provides a small college experience, also a large university experience at Rutgers University. So the combination of those two make for a tremendous experience for our SEBS students. The biology major provides a wide range of courses in the life sciences, and students can pick and select the ones that work best for their own interests and their own career pursuits. Biology is a very popular major at Rutgers, typically in the top 3 enrollments at the whole university, because it provides a wide range of areas that students could go into, and they get an outstanding experience with different research experiences with professors, and professors also teach that research in their classrooms. So there's a lot going on inside the classroom and outside the classroom, and the facilities are state of art. There's a lot of resources for biology majors at Rutgers to help them be academically successful, including advising. There's their Math and Science Learning Center. There's the Health Professions Office for the pre-med and health-related areas for students. Audacious is an outstanding program for students. And there's also SPIN and the Career Services for help with internships. The advising program, again, is very solid and very strong. Every single SEBS student gets a first-year advisor, and then later they get an upper-class bio advisor. Monday through Friday, there's appointments. There's also walk-ins. The Office of Academic Undergraduate Instruction and Nelson Labs, and also SEBS academic programs on the Cook campus also provides a lot of assistance for students. Biology majors have to achieve 120 academic credits. This is the same for all SEBS students in all degrees. They have to do their SEBS core requirements. They range from liberal arts to sciences, contemporary challenges, writing classes, math classes, arts, social analysis, and so forth. They have to do their major classes in biology, and they also have to do some unspecified electives. Those could be any credits. Some students pick up a minor or double major or classes related to their area of interest or other areas as well. All students in the bio major have to complete the major core science classes in the biology, chemistry, organic chem, physics, calculus, and or statistics for their second semester in genetics. These classes are pretty much the same for other sciences at Rutgers, so it's easy to make a change to another science if the student has a change in their decision of their major. The pre-med requirements are automatically built into the major biology as well. For biology, students get to take a lot of different elective courses with those core sciences that I just previously mentioned. And this includes CBN, cell bio and neuroscience classes, GEN, genetics courses, MBB, molecular biology and biochemistry. And students also have to take an ecology, natural resource classes, and then they get to pick and choose other classes. Can be the classes that I just mentioned, or animal science, biotech, environmental science, microbiology, just to name a few. And there's also three labs that students will be taking. So it gives a well-rounded educational experiences in the sciences. SAS and SEBS offer biology major. The major itself is exactly the same course requirements, the same exact courses. Biology, exercise science, and public health are three majors that you can receive at both SAS and SEBS. Where it's a little bit different is the school requirements. The school requirements at SEBS require every single student to do some type of internship, some type of experience-based education. And that can be an internship, research, company experience, and so forth. Students declare their major once they've completed Biology 115, 116, and the Lab 117. Experience advisors will help you along the way to determine your right path for your academic success and preparation. So some students will start off with math, biology, and chemistry. Other students will wait on the chemistry a little bit later to their spring, or biology to their spring. So there's a lot of different combinations, and an experience advisor will help students pick the best schedule for their academic success each semester during their 4 years at Rutgers. Experience-based education is a whole host of things students getting involved with in research in our George H. Cook program, animal practicum, and so forth. Some of our students end up actually doing not just one, but two experiences, and even some 3 or 4 experiences, depending upon their schedule and when time allows for them. Students do research in all areas from animal science to psychology. They also work at Robert Wood Johnson Medical School, RWJ Cancer Institute of New Jersey, the Children's Health Institute as well. So there's a lot of different areas. Students meet professors and research mixers and programs, meet students through their classes and through advising. So there's a lot of things going on outside the classroom that makes a student successful. Some of the most common areas that the life science bio majors go into are the health professions. And if some of our students go into industry, pharmaceutical research, and other areas, go into teaching K through 12, and also graduate school. The biology career opportunities are far ranging because with all of your different electives, your electives prepare students to go in a whole host of fields. So it's a good major if you're thinking about a lot of things, especially when you first come into, Rutgers and also beyond. And some of our first graduates, Sharing Plow, Merck and Company, Robert Wood Johnson, and so forth, just to name a few. And finally, some of our experienced alumni go on to become professors or genetic counselors or chiropractors and so forth. And last but not least, we welcome your questions. If you like to reach out to us through email or call our office or through the websites, we are here for you. We appreciate your interest, and we hope to see you at Rutgers someday. Take care.